It gives me immense pleasure to pay this brief tribute to the Honorable Mr. Justice Dennis Morrison. I first met Dennis in the early 70s at the Cayville Faculty of Law. He was in the first cohort of Caribbean-trained law students, and I was in the third. And so we overlapped for 1 year. He was doing his final year while I was doing my first year. It was quickly obvious to us first-year students that Dennis was special, that he stood out among the student body, with character traits that have remained with him down to this day. Affable, generous of his time, easygoing. We all looked up to him and envied his beguilingly effortless academic excellence. Everyone called him linguist, and sometimes I still do, although I've never heard him speak anything other than the Queen's English and Jamaican patois. Dennis has made an enormous and diversified contribution to the development of our Caribbean jurisprudence. And here I speak of Caribbean jurisprudence in its widest possible form, its widest possible sense. I don't simply mean judicial decision making, although he has done much of this. In fact, he has sat in several different jurisdictions of the Caribbean as an appellate judge, perhaps more than any other judge, or most, certainly. But even besides the judging, he has made a huge contribution to the promotion of our Caribbean jurisprudence, because for me, the building blocks of that jurisprudence embraces all that is involved in advancing that mission from the ground up. And so Dennis has, for example, been instrumental in the molding of Caribbean law students. And those former students who were fortunate enough to have been taught by him will tell you that, surprise, surprise, he was their favorite lecturer. For many years, he played an influential role in the Council of Legal Education, and for some of those years, he was at the helm of that institution that administers the 3 law schools in the region. He's also held leadership roles in the Jamaica Bar Association and in the Caribbean Bar Associations. And I am so very blessed that at this particular time, he is a member of the Regional Judicial and Legal Services Commission that has responsibilities for the administration of the Caribbean Court of Justice, including the appointment of judges and staff and defining the terms and conditions of staff. In each case, Dennis's temperament, his wisdom, his unimpeachable integrity, his ability to offer solutions to the most intractable problems without causing any fuss, have all helped to consolidate, to advance, and to ennoble our Caribbean jurisprudence. Many years ago, a distinguished jurist, who must remain nameless, asked me, it was in the context of an important legal assignment, asked me whether I knew Dennis Morrison from Jamaica. I said, yes, of course. He is the finest product that has come out of the University of West Indies Faculty of Law. I meant that then, and it remains the case today. Jamaica has every right to be justly proud of and to celebrate this most distinguished son of the soil. Equally, we and the rest of the Caribbean are all entitled to claim him as one of ours. His service to the region has been immeasurable and profound. Dennis Morrison is embodied greatness. I have no doubt that he will be sorely missed as President of the Court of Appeal of Jamaica. But dear Janet, I know only too well what you must be thinking. But let me warn you, Dennis's retirement will only increase the demand in Jamaica and abroad, even outside the region, for his legal expertise and his experience. But I know that you know how to manage that. Dennis, you and I have worked together on many different endeavors, and I'm extremely fortunate that for so many decades I've been able to rely on your friendship and your wise counsel. It pleases me to know that in the years ahead I will be able to continue to do so. I wish you all the very best in this next phase of life's journey. I thank you.